Hi, I'm Archana from Crypticals. Crypticals is a brand which specializes in upcycled art. We're into upcycled art as well as eco-friendly return gifts. Our USP is customized and personalized return gifts, mainly planters. We try to make planters out of each and everything that you can easily find scattered around the homes. It could be like a tin of chocolate, it could be like a Coke bottle or any cold drink bottle. So there are various things you can do with the bottles. Like you can hand wrap them in twine and make hand paint them and make them into a planter, or you could use it to keep tissues or anything. Or you could make a vase out of a bottle, but again wrapping it in twine and hand painting it in whatever patterns and whatever colors that you fancy. So today, because of the lockdown, because of the COVID-19 outbreak, we are all forced to stay at home. So we thought of sharing a DIY with you, which you can easily make at home with materials which can be easily found. Like you can find a PET bottle at home. So what I've done is I've just cut the top of the bottle because I want to make a favorite cartoon character, which is like the minion. And whatever we are going to make, it could be used either you can plant like a water plant, or you can use to keep your stationery stuff. And we would like to extend our thanks to World Art Community for reaching out to us for the DIY. We've been associated with World Art Community for more than 3 years. It's an amazing platform for artists and for hobbyists who would like to present their art or creativity in front of a wide range of audience. So let's go about to make the minion. What all we need. So just cut the top of a bottle, a PET bottle. It could be any size. It could be like a 500 ml or liter or whatever capacity you would find at home. Then we would need a cloth which would be yellow in color. So I have a jute cloth, but you could also use a cotton t-shirt, old t-shirt. Then a piece of denim which I've cut into the form of a T. So this makes the dress of the minion. Then a black strip, again cut from a black cloth. Two strips, again the denim strips to complete the overall or the dangri of the minion, and a pocket for the minion. Then I have two white pieces of fabric which I've cut in circular form to make the eyes of the minion, two black spots to make for the eyeballs, and two gray colored fabric for the eyes, again to line the eyes. And then I have kept the glue into a container so that it's easy to apply it. And now I'll apply the glue. Let's begin the process of the minion. So I'm sure all of you would have watched the movies which are like now aired onto the television sets. So to make the minion, initially you just apply glue onto the surface of your PET bottle. The glue is like to hold the fabric together so that the fabric doesn't come off. And we all know that the minions have like a lovely yellow colored body. It is like oval shaped. So I've applied glue over here and onto the bottom as well. I've spread it evenly. And then I'll start with the bottom. So just hold one corner like this and wrap it around like this. Okay. And now you apply some glue over here. So that both the ends are glued together. And then we don't have any loose ends. So I've glued it. You can use a glue gun if you have, but most of us have like Fevicol, which is easily available in most homes. So you can use Fevicol or a glue gun. Glue gun would also serve the purpose for the putting together of this. Okay, and then whatever little extra part of cloth you have, you just need to tuck it in so that it doesn't protrude out, and you just need to tuck it in and stick it up firmly with the glue like this. stuck it up. Okay, so now I've neatly tucked. Make sure that there are no folds or bubbles in between. Smoothen out any bubbles. Now this is the body of the minion. Now going for the overall or the dangly of the minion. So just apply glue to the denim, T-shaped denim part that you will be needing to make the dress of the minion. Spread the glue. And then you just stick it up. So make sure that the edge which you have stuck, it comes at the back, and in the front you stick it up like this. Adjust, see that it is proper, and then just firmly stick it up. Okay, there it goes. So we've stitched a lovely denim overall for our minion. Now I have a small little pocket, so I'll stick it up. For convenience sake, I've poured the glue into a bowl so that I can easily reach it out and use it with my fingers, because we are going to use plenty of glue over here. Yeah, so I've stuck up the pocket, denim pocket, and now let's go for the eyes. For the eyes, we'll be using these first the two pieces of the white cloth, and make sure that you stick them very close to each other. So here goes the eyes. And here is another eye of the minion. So stick them up close to each other. And now I'll stick up the grey part, the outline for the eyes. So you know minions' eyes, they have like circular eyes, and then you just stick it up neatly. Make sure that these eye lines, they do not overlap each other. They carefully apply glue and then gently press them up side by side. Yes. So make sure that they do not overlap. Then stick it up firmly. And now for the two eyeballs. If you don't have black cloth, you can even use paint. See, the eyes give life to the minion. It's looking so lively now because of the eyeballs. Stick it up neatly. Yes. So now I've stuck up the eyes. And now I need to stick up a black strip around the eyes. So start with one end, apply glue. And then start from this end. And then go all around. And this is a little bit of extra piece, but don't worry about it. Just chop it off with the scissors and stick it up. And now we have these two things. So just apply glue to complete the dress of the minion. Here you go. Yes. So this and the another one. So this kind of completes my minion look. I have this black paint with me, and I'll paint a cute little smiley. So we all want a smiling minion. We do not want a frowning minion, isn't it? So we have a cute little smile on the minion's face. And below, your minion is ready. Now, whatever creations you make, like whatever minions you make, please share it with us on the Facebook page. You can follow us on our Facebook page, Cryptic Hues. We also are present on Instagram. You can check our Instagram handle, which is also called as Cryptic Hues. And whatever minion creations you make, please share your creations with us. Thank you.